Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we'll continue section 5.1, antiderivative and indefinite integral, integration. Okay, that was the last one we did. Now we'll continue. I have f prime. I want to do f at 2, so I need to find f of x. So f prime, I can rewrite it as what? X cubed minus 2, okay, plus 5 over x. So it will be f of x. That will be x to the power 4 over 4 minus 2x plus 5 ln absolute value of x plus c. I have this information. F at 1 will be 1 over 4 minus 2. 5 ln 0, that will be 0. 5 ln 1. Ln 1 is 0. 5 times 0, that will be 0 plus c. That should be equal 5 over 4. So that implies c equal what? We take 1 over 4 there, that will be 1 plus 2, so c equals 3. So I have f of x will be x4 to the power 4 minus 2x plus 5 ln absolute value of x plus 3. F at 2, I have what? 16 over 4, that it will be 4 minus 4 plus 5 ln 2 plus 3. Cancelled. So I have 3 plus 5 ln 2. Which is this one? I have f double prime, and it gave me f of 0 equal 1, f of pi equal this, find f of pi over 2. So it means I need to find f of x. F prime would be ax plus 2 cosine x plus c. Differentiate, you should get this, which is clear. F of x will be ax plus 2 sine x. Differentiate, I'm getting this, plus cx plus d. I have f at 0, that should be what? 1 sine 0, 0 plus d, that should be equal to 1. Correct? E to the power 0 is 1. Sine 0 is 0. C times 0 is 0. Plus d equal 1. So d equals 0. So f of x will be e to the power x plus 2 sine x plus cx. Also have f of pi. That will be e to the power pi plus 0 plus pi c. That should be equal pi plus e to the power pi. So I have pi c equal pi. So c equal 1. So my f of x will be what? Ax plus 2 sine x plus x. What they want? They want f of pi over 2. That will be e pi over 2. 2 sine pi over 2. Sine pi over 2 is 1 plus 2 plus pi over 2. Which is this one. Okay. Polystyrene aboard from the ground with the initial speed this. So I have v at 0 equal 20. Constant acceleration. So I have a of t equal minus 9.8. He said polystyrene aboard from the ground. That means S at 0 equals 0. Okay. So I have V at T will be minus 9.8 T plus C. So V at 0 will be C will be 20. So this is 20. So S at T will be what? S at T will be minus 9.8 t square over 2 plus 20t plus d, another constant d. Now, S at 0 equals 0, so d will be 0. S at 0 will be d, will be 0, so d will be 0. So I have S of t That will be what? Minus 4.9 t square plus 20 t. S at 1 will be minus 4.9 plus 20, and that will be what? 15.1. Yes, 15.1 plus 4.9, that will be 20. Okay, so this is my answer. Okay, if the graph function, if x passes through this, that means what? F at 1 equals 6. And the slope of its tangent line is this at any point x. So it means f prime at any point x is 2x plus 1. I need to find f at 2. Okay. Oh, so it means it's an integration problem. I need to find f of x. F x will be what? X squared plus x plus c. I have f of 1. That should equal to 6. So I have 1 plus 1 plus c equals 6. So c equals 4. So my f of x squared plus x plus 4. What they want? They want f at 2. That will be 4 plus 2 plus 4. And that will be 10, which is this. The most general derivative of this. What is f of x? It will be x squared minus 2x square root of x plus the square root of x squared. That will be x squared minus 2x to the power 3 over 2 plus x. So the antiderivative, which is capital F of x, that will be x cubed over 3 minus 2 times 2 over, let me give it some space. Capital F of x will be x cubed over 3 minus 2. This is I add 1, 5 over 2. So multiply by 2 over 5, x to the power 5 over 2 plus x squared over 2 plus c. So that will be x cubed over 3 minus 4 over 5, x to the power 5 over 2 plus half x squared plus c, which is this one. Okay. If I have f double prime, and I'm looking for f at 2. So I need to find f of x. F prime of x will be what? X cubed plus 2 sin x plus c. Differentiate, I have 3x squared plus 2 cosine x. Okay, f prime at 0 equal 1. So I will use this. I'm getting what? C, which is 1. So my f prime is x cubed plus 2 sin x plus 1. So it will be f of x to the power 4 over 4 minus 2 cosine x plus x plus d. If at 0 equal to, differentiate x cubed 2 sin x plus 1. Okay. So f of 0, that will be 0. Cosine 0, that will be minus 2. 0 plus d, that should be equal to 2. So d equal 4. So my f of x is this. What they want? They want f at 2. So f at 2, 16 over 4, that is 4, minus 2 cosine 2, plus 2 plus 4. So it will be 10 minus 2 cosine 2. And that's the answer. Okay. Yeah, this one is the same as this one. So I know the answer is this. Okay. Yeah, I make it 2 times. Okay, and this one is the same. So what is this? Yeah, no need to do. The same. By mistake, there's a repetition. Okay, so I have f of x here is what? 2x minus 3 over x plus x to the power, this is half, huh? This is x to the power half. That x to the power minus 3 over 2. Half minus 2 is minus 3 over 2. That will be f of x. So what will be the antiderivative? It will be x squared minus 3 in absolute value of x. What about this one? This one you add 1, so it will be minus half, so it will be minus 2 x to the power minus half plus c. So it will be x squared minus 3, then absolute value of x minus 2 over square root of x plus c, which is this one. Okay, a particle is moving with an acceleration. This is the acceleration function. Okay, initial velocity, initial position. You want the position at t equal to is s of 2. Okay, so I need to integrate v at t will be 3t squared minus cosine t plus 3 sine t plus c. I'll use this. V at 0 will be 0, have minus 1 sine 0, 0 plus c equal to 3. So c equal 4. So this is 4. S at t will be t cubed minus sine t minus 3 cosine t plus 40 plus d. Differentiate 3t squared minus cosine t. This will be plus 3 sine t plus 4. Okay. What they want, what they have is 0 equals 0. S is 0 will be 0 sine 0, 0. That will be minus 3, 0 plus d equals 0. So d equals 3. So S of t will be this. What they want? S at 2. S at 2 will be 8 minus sine 2 minus 3 cosine 2 plus 8 plus 3. 16 plus 3, that will be what? 19 minus sine 2 minus 3 cosine 2, which is this one. Okay. If x plus f of x equal 1, what's the meaning of this? Capital F of x is this, means f prime, capital F prime is f of x. We'll solve this. I think we did it before. Yeah, we did it before. The same problem, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Where is it? Yeah, this one. F capital F minus 1, capital F of 1, 2, F prime is 0, 2. Let me do it again. No problem. So I'll use this. I'll start from this one, where I will get f double prime is 1 minus f of x. Integrate. So you have f prime equal 1 minus capital F of x. This one is capital F. This one is 1 minus capital F prime. We integrate, I'm getting f of x plus c. Okay. So to find the c, I will use this, and this. So f prime at 0 will be 1 minus capital F at 0 plus c. F prime at 0, 2. Capital F, that will be minus 1. So this will be plus 1 plus c. 1 minus minus 1, that will be plus 1. So c equal 0. So f prime will be 1 minus capital F of x. What they want? They want f prime at 1. That will be 1 minus capital F at 1. Capital F at 1 is 1. Yeah, there is a mistake somewhere. Check it. This is 1 minus capital F x plus c. Let me just check the calculation. F prime at 0 equal 1 minus capital F of x, which is the integral of this, plus c. So f prime at 0 is 2. That will be 1 minus 1, yeah, plus c. Is it the same problem? Oh, yeah. There is a mistake. This is the integral of 1 is x. Sorry for that. So this is x. So this is 0. Yeah. So c will be equal what? 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1, yeah. I need to integrate all of this. So the integral of 1 is x. That's it. Now I have f prime at 1 will be x minus capital F of x plus 1. What they want? F prime at x will be this. F prime at 1 will be 1 minus capital F of 1 plus 1. That will be 2 minus 2, which is 0. So that's the answer. Yeah, it's a matter of calculation. 1 integrated, you will get x. Okay. F double prime equal this, find this. Okay. So it means I need to find f of x. So f prime, that will be what? F double prime will be 2x minus 2. So f prime will be what? You add 1, that will be minus 2, x minus 1, plus c. I have f prime at 1, that will be minus 2 plus c equal 4, so c equals 6. So this is 6. Okay. So f prime, no, not f now. F at x will be what? Minus 2 ln absolute value of x plus 6x plus c. F at 1 equals 3. So f of 1 equal what? Minus 2 ln 1, that is 0. So it will be 6 plus c is equal to 3. So c equal minus 3. So it will be my function. Okay, I need to find f of 2. F of 2 will be what? Minus 3 ln 2 plus 12 minus 3, that will be 9. F at 4. F at 4 will be what? Minus 2 ln 4. Why minus 3? F of 2. F of 2 minus 2 ln 2. Okay, that's minus 2 ln 4. 6 times 4, 24. 24 minus 3 plus 21. Okay, now I need to find 2f of 2 minus f of 4. Multiply this by 2. I'm getting minus 4 ln 2 plus 18. Subtract from this plus 2 ln 4 minus 21. This is yeah, plus 2 ln 4 minus 21. Notice إنه 2 ln 4 minus 4 ln 2 is what? 2 ln 4, I have ln 4. This is would be 2 ln 2 square minus 4 ln 2. That will be 4 ln 2 minus 4 ln 2, which is 0. So this is cancelled. They are the same. That will be minus 3, which is this. It's a matter of calculations. This is integral, so you need to open it first. That will be x plus 2 square root of x times 1 over square root, that is 1, plus 1 over x dx. So that will be half x squared plus 2x plus ln absolute value of x plus c. It should be the absolute value. Okay. Open the parentheses first. I'm getting what? 16 t to the power 4. Okay. 3 times 4 t squared times 2 plus 24 t squared plus 9 dt. Integrate. That give me what? 16 t to the power 5 over 5 plus 8t cubed, 24t squared, plus 9t plus c, which is this one. About the initial velocity, that's the initial velocity. V at 0 equals 64. Initial height, S at 0 equal 80. The x is the acceleration. The ball will hit the ground after what? Okay. So I have A of t equal minus 32, V at t minus 32t plus c. I have V at 0, 64. So I have V at 0 is minus 32t plus V at 0, that will be c. Minus 32 times 0 is c. 0 equals 64. So this is 64. So S at t will be minus 32 square t square minus 16t square plus 64t plus c. S at 0 equal 80. That will be 0, 0. Call it d. Call this one d. So d equal 80. So I have S of t is minus 16t square plus 64t plus 80. If I take 16, or minus 16 common factor, what is the remaining? T square minus 4t minus 5. In other words, that will be t minus 5, t plus 1. So I have either t equal 5 or t equal minus 1. Hit the ground, they will make it equal to 0. So this is cancelled. So this is the answer. So 5 seconds. Okay, now we are done with these questions from the old exams. Now we'll do the questions from the book, integration and differentiation exercise. Verify the statement by showing that the derivative of the right side equal the integrand in the left side. Okay, it means derivative of this is this one, which is very clear. Now, f of x equal to over x cubed. This is capital F of x. So this is 5. So capital F prime will be what? Or I can write it as, to make it clear. This is 2 over x cubed. That 2x is minus 3. So capital F prime will be 6. X is minus 4 with the minus sign. So it's minus 6 over x to the power 4, which is this one. So this is correct. Which is small f of x. Actually, I need to prove no. Number 6, my capital F of x is this one, which is 2x to the power 4 without the c, which is, I can write it, 2x to the power 4 minus half x is minus 1. So capital F prime, that will be 8x cubed plus half x is minus 2, which is 8x cubed plus 1 over 2x squared, which is correct. So this is f of x. Okay, solving differential equation. I think this is very quick ones. Yeah. 7. This is dy by dt, so it will be y. Y will be 3t cubed plus c. And you can check it easily. If to differentiate this, I'm getting this. 9t squared, that's it. 8. Yeah, these quick ones. Y equal 5t plus c. 9. This is x to the power 3 over 2. I add 1 and I divide by it. So it will be 2 over 5, x to the power 5 over 2 plus c, 10. This is y will be what? I add 1 and I divide by minus 2, so I divide by it, so it will be minus. Let me do it in steps. 2x is minus 2 over minus 2 plus c. So it will be minus x is minus 2 plus c. In other words, minus 1 over x squared plus c. Okay. This one is just rewrite. So I need to rewrite this one. So this is the integral. Rewrite means I will do it here. Rewrite, I need to rewrite it. That will be what? If you notice, 1 over 3x all square is 1 over 9x squared. In other words, that will be 1 over 9, take it out, x is minus 2 dx. Integrate, I add 1, I subtract, I divide by it, plus c. Simplify, that will be minus 1 over 9, x is minus 1 plus c. Or in other words, minus 1 over 9x plus c. Okay. Finding an indefinite integral for the following. Let me do it one by one. 16. Yeah, very easy ones. Integral x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. That will be x to the power 6 over 6 plus x plus c. Which is easy to check. Huh? You can check easily. Check by differentiation. Derivative of this, give me this. That's it. 18. Integral x to the power half plus 1 over 2 x is minus half dx. Add 1, that will be 2 over 3 x to the power 3 over 2. Add 1, that will be half, multiply, that will be x to the power half plus c. Okay, 18, 20. Square it, actually we did it before. That will be what? 16 t to the power 4 plus 24 t squared plus 9. I open the square dt. And that give me what? That give me 16 t to the power 5 over 5 plus 8t cubed, which give me this, plus 9t plus c. Okay, 19. I'll do the product first. That will be 3x squared. 3x minus 2x, that is plus x minus 2 dx. Integrate, I have x cubed plus x squared over 2 minus 2x plus c. Yeah. 23. That will be integral x over square root of x plus 6 over square root of x dx. That will be x to the power half plus 6 x to the power minus half dx. Add 1, that's 3 over 2, so I have 2 over 3, x to the power 3 over 2. Add 1, that will be half multiplied by 2, so it will be 12 x to the power half plus c. Okay, which is 2 over 3 x to the power 3 over 2 plus 12x. Okay, 24. The integral of 1 minus 3 x is minus 2 plus 5 x is minus 4 dx. That will be x. This is, you add 1, subtract x to the power minus 1 over minus 1 plus 5 x is minus 3 over minus 3 plus c. So that will give me what? X plus 3 over x minus 5 over 3x cubed plus c. Okay, they are easy ones. This one, 26. Yeah. Integral of sine, that will be minus cosine. Let me rewrite it again. Dx, that will be minus cosine minus 6 sine x plus c. Is it? Integrate that. Minus cosine minus 6. Okay. 28. Integral of secant y في tan y minus secant y dy. That will be secant y tan y minus secant square y dy. What's the function? Well, the derivative is secant y times tan y. That will be secant y. Secant squared, that will be minus tan y. Plus c. Don't forget plus c. Okay. 30. Let me do it here. Easy ones, huh? That will be integral for x minus cosecant square x dx. That will be what? 2x squared. Okay. Plus cotan x. Derivative of cotan minus cosecant squared. That's it. 32. Integral ax minus x dx. That will be ax minus x squared over 2 plus c. Okay. Easy ones, huh? Or you can check, huh? I'm doing the check, but you can do it. Let's go sine x plus 3 to the power x dx. That will be what? Sine x plus 3 to the power x over length 3 plus c. That's 34. Yeah. 36. 4 over x plus secant square x dx. That is, yeah, 4 ln absolute value of x plus tan x plus tan x plus c. Okay, now particular solution. Now I need to use these conditions to find the solution, to find the function, find the particular solution exercises, find the particular solution differential equation. That satisfies the initial condition. Okay, 38. G of x will be 4x cubed over 3 plus c. That implies, now I have g at minus 1 equal 3. That implies in 3 equal minus 4 over 3 plus c. So c will be what? 9 over 3 plus 4 over 3. That will be 13 over 3. So my g of x is 4 over 3 x cubed plus 13 over 3. Okay. 42. F double prime equals sine x. So f prime will be equal minus cosine x plus c. I have this condition. So f prime at 0, that will be minus 1 plus c. That should be equal to 1. So c equal to. That implies f prime of x will be equal minus cosine x plus 2. So that implies f of x is what? To grade this, that will be minus sine x plus 2x plus c plus d, another constant called d. and I have what? F of 0 equals 6. So F of 0 will be equal dd equals 6. So my function will be minus sine x plus 2x plus 6, which this function satisfies both this differential equation and the initial conditions. Okay, find the function f. What's that one? The graph has a horizontal tangent at this. Okay, and f double prime equal to x. This has a lot of things. I have the point. This is the point in the curve. So I have f at 2 equals 0. When I say horizontal tangent, then f prime at 2 equals 0. And f double prime of x equal to x. This is what I want to do. Okay. So it's like a differential equation. So I have f double prime equal to x. So f prime will be x squared plus c. Use this. F prime at 2 equal 4 plus c equal to 0. So c equal minus 4. Okay. So my function f prime is x squared minus 4. What will be my f of x? F of x will be x cubed over 3 minus 4x plus d. They have this f of 2 equals 0. So f of 2 is 8 over 3 minus 8 plus d. That should be equal to 0. So d will be what? D will be 8 minus 8 over 3. 8 is 24 over 3 minus 8. That will be 16 over 3. So my function 8, it will be x cubed over 3 minus 4x plus 16 over 3. Okay. 57. What they want. Assume that the acceleration is this. This is the acceleration. A body is to run vertically upward from the height of 6 feet. I have s at 0 equals 6. With initial velocity 60, v at 0 equals 60. How high will the ball go? Okay, I want to find the maximum height. Okay, I have a of t will be what? Yeah, minus 32. So v at t is minus 32t plus c. I have s at 0 equals 6. No, v at 0 I need. V at 0 will be c equals 60. So v at t is minus 32t plus 60. Okay. Now s at t will be what? Integrate this minus 16t squared plus 60t plus c. Okay. And to find this, I'll use this at 0 equals 6. This at 0, 0, 0 equals 6. That will be 6. So my s of t equal minus 16t squared plus 60t plus c. When I have maximum, I need to check s prime or v at t when v of t equals 0. So v at t equals 0. I have t equal what? Minus 60 over minus 32. That is over 8 or over what? 16. Not 16. No, over, let me do it in steps. Over 4, that will be 15. And that will be 8. That's it. This is the time. And what will be how high? What will be? This is the time when I have maximum height. Time when we have maximum height. But he wants how high will the ball go. So I need to find S at this number, which is, yeah, minus 16, 15 over 8 square plus 60, 15 over 8. Did I find the C? Yeah, C equals 6. Yeah, I wrote plus C, plus 6, plus 6. I did the calculations for you. Let's do the calculations. Okay. But you need the calculator to do it. You want how high will the ball go? So I find the time when I have a maximum height, and that is when S prime or V is equal to 0. That means I have a maximum height because the ball will go up and go down. So I have V S prime equals 0. So this is the time. I want to find what will be S at that time. So this is, I just define. I just substitute this 15 over 8 in that function. Okay. I think I have, yeah, that will be the last one. 68. A particle initially at rest. Okay. So I have S at 0. Initial at rest. So the x-axis is that, S acceleration is this. At time t equals 0. No, it's yeah, the position is x equals 3. So I have S at 0 equals 3. Find the velocity and position function. When it says initially at rest, means its velocity is 0. So I have A of t equal cosine t. What will be V at t? Integral of this, which is sine t plus c. Yeah, V at 0 equals 0. V at 0 equals 0. That implies 0 equals c. So my V of t is sine t only. Okay. Now x of t will be what? Minus cosine t plus another constant d. S at 0, I call it S. S at 0, that will be minus 1 plus d equal to 3. So d equal 4. So my function S of t equal what? Minus cosine t plus 4. What they want? Find the values of t for which the particle is at rest. When the particle is at rest, means V of t equals 0. So I have, this is the function. So V at t, this is part A, this is part A. I have two things. You want the velocity and the position function. This is AA, part B, V of t equals 0. So I have sine t equals 0. So t is what? K pi, well, k 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on. No, k is positive, huh? Because the time cannot be negative. So k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Because the time cannot be negative. Okay. True or false statement. I have two statements. Just to finish it. The antiderivative of a function is unique. No. This is very clear. This is not correct. 73. False. Why? Take f of x equal to x, مثلا. I have capital F of x. I have two capital F of x. X squared plus 2. And another one x square minus 3. Derivative of this, give me this. Derivative of this, give me this. So it's not unique. 74. Each antiderivative of an n-degree polynomial is an n plus 1 nth degree polynomial function. This is true. Why? Because if small f of x equal n degree, what will be my antiderivative? It will be a n x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus a n minus 1 x to the power n over n plus a1 x square over 2 plus a0 x plus c. So this is an n plus 1. And the degree of this function is n plus 1, while the degree of this is n. And this is for all polynomials. Okay. That's it. I think this is the end of this section, which is 5.1. Let me stop the recording. Thank you.